Greetings, boys and girls. This is Jack Dion from ZL Entertainment, and time for another reaction video. And today, more 21 Pilots. Isle of the Flightless Birds live. Yeah, sounds like it could be a book or something. Who knows? I believe this was the song that there was no musical video for, and so I went to find a live version. If I can't find a music video for a song, I'm not gonna do lyric videos. I hate that kind of stuff, so I'll do a live version. So, yeah, let's see what it is and play. People taking selfies over there. I'm not a huge fan of ukuleles, unless they're 6-string. I'd like to get a 6-string one. I think that's 4. Yeah.
Demons and angels purpose, they fly around while we are walking and move our emotions just to please them. Oh yeah, God, can you hear? Oh, you will fly. We find our worth in giving birth and stuff. We're lighting our homes against finding roads and we think the going is done. We've been
Jummer's really into it.
Nobody cares about, and honestly, we're probably more suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think's wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll be in the wish you were sleeping, you're weeping, we're creeping, you're ready to cry. But if we wake up every morning and decide what we believe, we can take apart our very heart and the light will set us.
Basically, that was kind of reggae. And I realized something. I'll say it later then.
I am cold. Can you hear? I will fly with no hope, no fear. And the ground taunts my wings. Plummet as I sing. As how frustrating and so degrading. It's time we're wasting, it's time we'll fly by, and the sky will cry as light is fading, and he is waiting, oh, so patiently while we repeat the same routine as we will please comfortability. And please think about why you can't sleep in the evening, and please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides, and it's time you pick your battle, and I promise you this is mine.
Interesting. Interesting. So the thing I realized, I remembered anyways, is the real meaning of like pop music is when a band or such, or a singer, whatever you want to call it, they do so many different genres of music, like David Bowie. David Bowie was like the beginning of what real pop is. It's a mixture of all kinds of genres. It's basically, you can't define them as one or two, they're just many. So I would actually classify this as real pop music, 21 Pilots, because that's what real pop music is supposed to be. It's supposed to be a mix of so many different genres. And then it just became crap eventually, but once in a while you'll find a good pop person band thing. David Bowie is one of my favorites. Michael Jackson is huge favorite. Weird Al is actually pop. Just to name a few. So, yeah, that's my epiphany, if you want to call it that, of this band, is I'm going to start calling them pop, much to the dismay of probably all the fans. Sorry, but by definition, that's what they really are. I couldn't pay attention to the music in that video because, for one, it kept on shooting the camera to Pretty Girl, whoever that might have been. There was always a girl there that was pretty. And second, that shirt he was wearing was very distracting. So I was just constantly looking at that shirt of his. I was like, is that a granny shirt? Looks like a granny shirt. What is he doing? If you guys like this video, give that like button a hug by clicking on the thumbs up. And comment in the section below. You can see the comments down there. Keep coming in. All of the stuff you would like for me to react to. Whatever videos there is, I'll pretty much watch anything. I don't think I'm going to do a react video to someone playing video games, though, because that would be weird. But most anything on YouTube I'll probably react to. Maybe. Probably not. Yeah, love you all, and stay safe.